All right, there go. We going back again. Me, Whitney, Dre, Rashad. This nigga right here. Rashad about to get fucked up. Oh, girl, give me some, girl.
That one was real good.
Hey, they about to take me. Let's go, nigga. I'm about to take you. I'm gonna flip on.
This nigga said, you talk about, so let's take a picture at a time like this.
How y'all know they about to take you?
Because I threw them motherfuckers and they all flew up. They got these motherfuckers. And then they just start flying and shit.
All this bird shit.
That's the leader.
Man, fuck that bird, bitch.
Right here, that's
the leader.
Oh, fuck.
That bitch.
Don't touch my chick, bitch.
Come on, y'all gotta. Hey, we gonna fight them motherfuckers.
We think we can be the army of these goddamn birds.
Bitch. It's a bird. Hold that bitch in your hand, hold it up. Hold your hand up.
There go Terry.
That's the fucking army. They would fucking stab us with them fucking beats. Why the fuck we fucking with them?
Nigga, you ain't like too much. Fuck all these birds, dog. I'm about to get up close on their head.
You all fucking sailors and shit. They go back somewhere.
Hey, run past him. Run past him. Come on, fucking.
Where'd you get the girl? I'm about to fuck with you.
Them motherfuckers. The motherfuckers got doodle on us. Damn, I'm tired.